says, my evil cousin's address. Box, Skogsstigen 15, Open Fields. It's Benjamin's address.
Good. Now we can get that stolen happiness back.
Alright, sweet.
It looks like the fastest way to the Fox is by boat from Phantasmagoria.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me we are going to Phantasmagoria?
It seems that way, yes.
Sweet. I always wanted to go. Yes.
Are you up for another round of questions while we walk?
Sure. My question answering skills are all warm up.
Great, great. And as usual, just be honest and you'll do fine. First question. Have you ever heard this question before?
Yes.
All right. Second question. Have you ever lied to a friend?
No, I swear.
Whatever you say, Misfortune. Now, for the last question. Have you ever seen someone die?
Other than in ninja movies? No. They die in funny ways in ninja movies. Don't tell mommy.
I won't. Thank you for your honesty again, Misfortune.
You're welcome.
We're getting really close to Phantasmagoria now.
Yeah, I can hear. Exciting. What? This looks like the creepiest place to ever exist. So scary. I wish I had a ticket to ride, though.
Really? But hey, what's that falling just in front of you?
Please, don't play with my feelings. It can't be a ticket.
Are you sure? It looks like a ticket to me.
It can't be, but I'll check it out. Is that a skeleton? Creepy. What? A ticket? For real? Sweet and spooky. Thank you.
You're welcome, Misfortune. Now, let's go find a boat to the Fox, remember?
A ghost? Damn, that's creepy.
Misfortune, please mind your language.
But I got scared. It's totally understandable.
That's no excuse.
Okay. It says, welcome to Phantasmagoria. Thank you. A creepy clown? That's creepy. Oh, balloons. I love balloons. Just so you know that I love balloons.
Okay, Misfortune. Hey, you, from the other side. Misfortune deserves to have a fun time, so try to make the right choices for her, all right?
I just have one ticket, so I can just ride one ride. I'm gonna look around first.
All right.
Ew, you know, once I saw a documentary on TV about hot dogs. And now I don't want to eat hot dogs.
Boo! Sorry about that. I was just trying to pull your leg.
If you do it one more time, I'll just shut my eyes tight and see nothing. This looks like Benjamin, but creepier and angrier. Check out those sweet unicorns. Look, little baby sweet unicorn. This is your family. Say hello. Did you say? Okay. Now say bye-bye and we'll go.
is this the ride you want to spend your ticket on?
Yes.
All right then, have a pleasant ride.
Oh, I don't feel so good. I'm feeling dizzy.
You think you're going to puke?
I don't want to, but the ride went too fast. It was fun.
All right, good. Take a deep breath and you'll soon feel better.
Okay.
Good, good. Now, let's go find that boat.
The boat. Okay, I'm okay. The mean children at school say that I have a pumpkin head.
I can see the resemblance.
The what?
Nothing.
Huh, okay. Ah, the smell of freshly made candy is delightful.
Ah, yes. Too bad we can't afford any.
There's some candy on the ground. I could use the party hat to make my own mixed candy cone.
Come on, Misfortune. Don't even think about it.
I'm doing it.
Ugh. Are you really gonna eat some of it?
Of course, it's free candy. Delicious. Um, my heart hurts.
What is it, Misfortune?
I don't know. I think the candy made me feel bad.
Well, I told you not to eat it.
Yeah, that's true. Silly me. Happiness to Misfortune! Ah, much better. Ada? Ah, there's a bunch of games here. Can I play one?
Oh, of course. You must play one before we leave on the boat. I just love it here, don't you?
Who doesn't? I want to play a game now. Mr. Voice, can I get a balloon? Because my mommy never gave me one, so maybe you can give me one.
Well, you know we can't afford any, but look! What's that?
A floating balloon! Fancy! Is it for me?
Yes!
Okay, thank you. Ah, just my luck.
Oh, Misfortune, I'm sorry about the balloon.
Don't worry. Thank you anyway. Check this out. I can get a reward ticket if I win. I'm gonna play this.
Please, go ahead. I can't wait to see what it's about.
Are these tiny foxes like Benjamin?
They're dangerous foxes. Pretend they all stole your eternal happiness and whack them, whack them.
Okay. Head down. Oops. Head down. Oops. Boink. Yes, I won.
Great whacking, Misfortune.
This one is free. I want to play it.
Oh, please do play it. Play it as much as you want.
Really? Alright. Well, check this out. Now with real bullets. Fancy! I think I broke the game.
It looks like it.
Oh. Oh, one of those dolls again. I want it. Reality will transform into what the child desires the most. Oh, really? A desire, you say? I like desires.
What did you choose?
Nothing. I know who will look amazing in this tiny skirt. Shadam! There you go, unicorn. You look like a sweet little lady. That golden chocolate coin looks delicious. I'll take that. Sweet, a fortune teller. Can I try this? Hello, I'm Misfortune Ramirez Hernandez, and I want to know the future of me. Please, thank you.
Once you see the beyond sees you, and you can be sure it will be coming for you.
The beyond is coming for me? What's the beyond?
Want to try again?
Yes, again.
What you see in the beyond is not what you see, but what you don't see.
Oh, really? Talk about crazy.
Want to try it again then?
Okay, again.
You are being lied to at this very moment. Trust me. Don't trust anything.
Oh, really? Who is lying to me? Is Benjamin lying to me? What?
Oh no, too bad.
Yes, poor little birdie. Maybe he was flying drunk. You know, like my mommy did once and crushed daddy's car. Like this little birdie crashed with its body, you know?
Yes, I get it, Misfortune. It's still sad.
It crashed.